Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at some more Forza Horizon stuff featuring Watermelon, my foster cat. No, you have to be in for the YouTube thing. Want me to get Finn or Ren? You want me to do that? No, you have to show them your face. No? I'm just going to keep you on my chest then. No, I want to keep you here. You don't want to be in the YouTube, you don't want to be in the YouTube thing, fine. I'm going to keep you here. As I said, we're looking at some more Forza stuff. And yeah, let's get started.
Hi everyone, I'm Fraser Strachan, lead audio designer at Playground Games, and today I'm really excited to show you some amazing car audio gameplay. So here we go.
Alright, this is the Supra. I heard Forza is offering like I think 500 new engine swaps, so my Horizon 4 Jaguar doesn't sound like an Aventador. Let me know if you want to do videos with my other three foster cats. It's only 2 minutes, baby. It's only 2 minutes. So this is the 2017 Ford GT. Watermelon seems to be interested. Alright, so this is a Camaro. Alright, so this is the F12 Berlinetta. I should know I have this car. In the Horizon 4. I do Horizon 4 streams on Twitch. My Twitch will be linked in the description. That's the Penhall Chola. That's currently sitting in my auction house because it didn't sell.
So there we have it. I can't wait for you all to explore all the amazing car sounds we have in Forza Horizon 5 later this year.
Well, very fun. So, yep. I hope you enjoyed me doing this with Watermelon. And I have my other three foster cats, Finn, Ren, and Gracie, who's my ginger, who's in the bathroom. So, yep. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Say one last goodbye to Watermelon because after she's gonna be gone this week. The someone already filed to adopt her. These are just fosters, not my actual cats. But yeah. Oh, there goes one. Yep, she's done with the video. She's gonna go play with them. So yeah. Uh, peace.